A man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear.
Hello, mothers and fathers out there. I want to try to talk to you for a second about helping you with your son and creating a great man in this world for him to do good things. I wrote 4 books that I believe will help him find his way through the world, navigating and becoming a great man. And they're very short books. They're not, long or overbearing. It's common sense information, plain talk that everyone can understand. And if you buy it for him, I think he'll learn to respect that decision that you gave him something to read. Most kids don't want to read, but you gave him something to read, and this is going to be a very defining moment in his life because you want to help him become a great man. So mothers and fathers, don't be afraid. Buy the books and give them to your son, the young man in your life that you want to help become a great man. It's well worth it, I believe. 4 books that every young man should have. The first book is Molding a Man, where it goes from adolescence to college, talking about all the things a young man should be doing in order to become a great man. The second book, 10 Steps for a Young Man to Become a Great Man, goes through all the things a young man should know about that'll help him become a great man. Third book, Code of a Man, which lets a young man know being a man is all about. And the fourth book, Making a Woman, lets a young man know what he needs to look for in a woman to make her worthy of being a wife.
Life throws curveballs. It's full of unexpected twists and turns that can catch you off guard. It's a chaotic, unpredictable beast. The hustle and bustle of daily life can be overwhelming. As young men, you're stepping into the arena. You're going to face challenges. You're going to stumble. But every fall is a lesson. That's part of the game. It's about learning to pick yourself up and keep moving forward. The key is to rise stronger, learn from your mistakes, and keep pushing forward. Every setback is an opportunity to grow. The world needs strong, capable men who can adapt, overcome, and inspire others. Men who are ready to take on responsibility, to lead, to build, to be the pillars of their communities. That strength starts from within. It begins with self-awareness and inner peace. It's about discipline, resilience, and a relentless pursuit of self-improvement. Embrace the grind, embrace the struggle, embrace the journey. Because it's in those moments of adversity that you forge your character. It's where true strength is built. That's where you find out what you're really made of. In the quiet moments of reflection, you discover your true self. Remember, life's a marathon, not a sprint. It's about pacing yourself and staying committed. It's about consistency, dedication, and a relentless pursuit of your goals. So get after it. The world is waiting. Your time is now. Physical strength is non-negotiable. It's the bedrock upon which we build our lives. Without it, we lack the energy and resilience to face daily challenges. It's the foundation for everything else. A strong body supports a strong mind, and together, they create a harmonious existence. Start your day with movement. Whether it's a brisk jog, a yoga session, or a simple stretch, get your blood flowing and set a positive tone for the day. Hit the gym, go for a run, do some bodyweight exercises. The key is consistency. Make physical activity a daily habit. Find what works for you and make it a non-negotiable part of your routine. Explore different activities until you find your passion. But it's not just about physical strength. Mental fortitude is equally crucial. A balanced mind complements a strong body. Mental fortitude is just as important. Take time to meditate, practice mindfulness, and engage in activities that challenge your mind. Take some time each day for reflection. Journaling can help you process your thoughts and emotions, leading to greater self-awareness. Read, learn new things, challenge your beliefs. Continuous learning keeps your mind sharp and adaptable. A strong mind and a strong body. That's the winning combination. Discipline yourself, stick to a routine, embrace the journey of self-improvement. The results will speak for themselves. You'll feel more energized, focused, and ready to conquer whatever comes your way.
Hello everyone. life is very short. But if we had great information that would help us navigate through this life in a much faster, much better way, that would be a great thing. And I have 4 books that I believe will help young men become great men. So look it up. Don't hesitate. Just look at the books. See if they have information in there that will help you become a great man. Will help your son, mothers and fathers, for him to become a great man. Life's too short. And if you get information fast enough, you can enjoy life much better. Our books will help you do that, I believe.
Life's a team sport. You need your crew. Surround yourself with good people. People you trust. People who push you to be better. Talk to your friends, your family, your mentors. Share your struggles, your successes, your fears. Don't bottle things up. A problem shared is a problem halved. Remember, vulnerability is not weakness. It's strength. It takes courage to open up, to ask for help. And it's in those moments of connection that you build unbreakable bonds. Section 4. Navigate the urban jungle. Stay aware. Stay safe. The world can be a dangerous place. Stay vigilant. Be aware of your surroundings. Don't walk around with your head in the clouds. Trust your gut. If something feels off, it probably is. Avoid unnecessary risks. Don't put yourself in compromising situations. Learn basic self-defense. It's not about being paranoid. It's about being prepared. Knowledge is power. And in a dangerous situation, that knowledge could save your life. Section 5. Inner strength. Discipline, resilience, and the keys to success. This section delves into the core attributes that define successful individuals. It's about harnessing the power within to overcome obstacles and achieve greatness. Discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. It's the unwavering commitment to your objectives, even when the going gets tough. It's the difference between talking the talk and walking the walk. Master your emotions. Stay focused and determined, no matter the distractions. Don't let anger cloud your judgment. Keep a clear mind and a steady heart. Don't let fear paralyze you. Resilience is key. It's about getting back up when you get knocked down. It's about finding the strength to continue, even when the odds are against you. It's about learning from your mistakes and coming back stronger. Life's gonna test you. It's gonna challenge your resolve. It's gonna throw punches you didn't see coming. But every challenge is an opportunity to grow. But here's the thing. You have the power to choose your response. You can decide how you react to adversity. You can either crumble under pressure or rise to the challenge. The choice is yours. Be relentless in the pursuit of your goals. Keep pushing forward, no matter the obstacles. Don't let setbacks derail you. Every setback is a setup for a comeback. Remember, success is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the ride. Embrace every moment, every challenge, and every victory along the way.
Will change a young man's outlook and how he goes about life and becoming a great man. There's great gifts, birthdays, Father's Day, Christmas, and it can be given to any young man that's starting off in life. They're available on Amazon, BarnesandNoble.com, and WritersBrand.com also. Go check them out on Amazon and get your copies. A young man should have all 4 copies to ensure that he will become a great man. Hello everyone. I want to thank you for watching my videos, and I would ask that you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and comment so that I know I'm helping somebody by you commenting on them, liking them, or subscribing to my channel. This way I can get more coverage and reach more people. So thank you for watching the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Hello again. Thanks for watching the video. See you on the next one.
Out of here, more than a man, it's nothing to play with. More than a man takes dedication. More than a man is an endless job. Good for humanity, y'all deserve some props. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. Everybody knows the sound is clear. Everybody knows they hear the truth. More than a man, add some civility. More than a man, builds your integrity. More than a man, brings dependability to family, and his words is bonds. So